Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, April 14th, 2019, and it's weigh-in day. Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by to check in on me on this lovely Sunday. I hope you are having a wonderful day with your friends and families and that you are enjoying the weekend. I'm going to be spending some time with my family today, so I'm going to try and make this as short as I can. Just give you a quick update on my week and then get to the weigh-in, talk about it, and be done. So hopefully you guys won't mind that this is a super short video, but it's what it is. It's got to be short today. So this week went really well. I stayed within my maintenance macros, which were anywhere from about 1,800 calories to 2,300 calories per day. I tracked every single day except yesterday. I did not track yesterday because it was a crazy dance competition from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. And basically I ate in between dance numbers. It was crazy. I don't even know for sure what I ate yesterday, but I did record everything I ate. I just didn't put it in my tracker. So hopefully I did okay. But, you know, that's kind of why I'm on a maintenance break right now, is because this is the season for that. And it's dance competition and dance portrait season for me as a photographer. It is busy, busy, busy. So sometimes I'm just going to not be able to track my food and just have to eat keto things and hope. That being said, I was pretty much expecting this weigh-in to be pretty bad. It's my normal second. So normally I have 2 weeks where I put on some water weight and 2 weeks where it comes back off. Since I started maintenance, I basically have put on the water weight and then kept the water weight and just kind of been bouncing around in the same few pounds. And so I was kind of worried that maybe things were just going to go up and scare me a bit this week, because it was also my second week of water weight gain that I usually have, coupled with having a dance competition weekend where I'm running all over and standing a lot and using my muscles more and eating whatever. So yeah, this morning I was a little trepidatious as I got onto the scale. So let's just see how it went and we can go from there. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 181.3 pounds, which is not too bad. So it's only about a half a pound up from last week, which is pretty awesome. And it's lower than I was 4 weeks ago. So 4 weeks ago, I was, I think, 183.6. So it's still lower than I was 4 weeks ago, which is great. That means I'm really hanging out there. I think I did maybe put on a little bit of fat that first go round with the maintenance macros. But it seems to me that they are actually really working and that I am just really hanging out in the same weight, basically for the last, I think it's been 6 weeks, something like that. So I have 6 more weeks to go of this maintenance break, and I'm super happy that it's working and that I'm satisfied, and I feel like I'm kind of getting a handle on what I want to do for the future for keeping the weight off long term. So I'm feeling pretty great today, and I hope you guys are all feeling great. Measurements wise, all of my measurements are back to where they were, except my waist is still a half an inch up only from where I was before I started the maintenance break. So that's pretty awesome. I'm very happy about that. That basically means I'm really just hanging out at the same place, and that's exactly what my goal was. So yay for that. I'm super excited that it's working and that my measurements are kind of hanging out at the same kind of way as the weight on the scale. So we'll see what this next week brings. It's Easter week. It's supposed to be spring break, but my kids are even busier this week than they normally are, which is because everybody's trying to take advantage of spring break to do extra practices, which just makes me roll my eyes a little. It's a good thing I didn't go out of town, because what would my kids have done? Anyway, yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of house cleaning, organizing, getting ready for Easter, that kind of thing. We're going to have a big Easter dinner. We're really looking forward to that. My mom makes an amazing table and my husband makes amazing food, so that's great. Update on the video, the assumptions about me video. I've really enjoyed reading your assumptions so far. I've had conversations with you in my head, but I haven't had a chance to really sit down and record that. I'm really hoping I will have a chance to do it tomorrow. Here's hoping. It has been crazy. I should have known that this was not a good week to do it because I was so busy. But we're going to see if I have some time during spring break to maybe get a minute to get that done. So if you haven't had a chance to go follow me on Instagram at ketochaos and find the post where it talks about my assumptions about me and put one on there, you have the chance to get your Instagram shouted out on my channel, and it's going to be a fun little video that I'm going to make for you guys. It'll be in the next Tammy's Tidbits. Also, if you've had a chance to get over to Patreon and become one of my Patreons, you'll get to see the video 24 hours before everybody else as a thank you for your donation to keeping this channel going, keeping me sane. So I appreciate all of you who are my Patreon family. I feel super blessed to have such great friends that are willing to help participate in spreading the keto news to the world. That's kind of how I view it. But yeah, I made a joke about being a keto missionary on Tuesday, and that kind of makes me laugh. So maybe I am. I'm kind of dressed like a missionary today. My little school marmy outfit today. I have this on because I was singing in the tenor section today, and I wanted to kind of look like the boys at church today. It went really great. But anyway, that's beside the point. Here I am going on and on when I said I wasn't going to, and I wasn't. So yeah, don't forget the links are in the About section below for Facebook and Patreon and Teespring and whatever else you're looking for. So I hope you'll join me in all of those places and support this channel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you're all having a lovely weekend and enjoy your families. We'll talk to you all again soon.